and dislike with their reasons. I have two kids of these, namely markers and crayons. I like markers and don't like crayons. Before I give a reason, I will give a little review of markers and crayons. Markers are kind of stationery that is shaped like a pen and has its own ink container. The tip of the marker is made of a thin or porous and soft foam so that the ink can flow to paper or other surface. Wheel crayons are drawing equipment made from colored canvas, water, and touch or chart. Crayons are widely used by children to draw, and artists also use them. Okay, next. The reason I like markers. First, because the marker is of flexible use. Because it does not need to be stretched out. On first like a colored pencil or poured into another container such as pine. Second, the residual color is brighter and thicker than colored pencil because it uses ink.
Hello.
Third, does not dirty your hands because the ink markers are fastened in a confined space. Fourth, the result of coloring with markers are neater because the edges are whitened to a third not as sharp as colored pencils.
No.
And last, the color dries quickly because the ink markers are made based on alcohol making it volatile. And I don't like crayons because first, crayons when used with white and dirty. Second, it starts out faster when used. Finally, the coloring results are not it because I'm not able to evaluate. Okay, that's some of my reasons. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We I prefer flat shoes to school shoes. Is first, flat shoes look more beautiful than school shoes. So don't be confused if there are plain to go suddenly. Second, the print is cheaper, so you can save more and save money. Thirdly, I'm not bored because there are many choices of color and attractive model. The latter. So if you want to wash it tomorrow, don't worry when washing will dry or not tomorrow.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Putri Ambarwati. I want to tell you that I like pens and I don't like pencil. I like a pen because if it is used for writing, the pen is more black concentrated, the color is clear. I don't like pencil because when they are used for writing, they are not very clear because they are gray. Pens are more permanent if used for doodling on books or paper. Pencil is temporary when used to scribble on a book or paper because it cannot be erased when viewed from the material. The pen does not break easily because the questioner's A is made of a kind of iron and the pen's handle is made of plastic, while the pencil is easily broken and brittle because it is made of graphite mixed with clay and wrapped in wood or paper. I like a pen because a pen that runs out can be refilled because a pen contains an ink bag that can be refilled so the size of the pens remain. I don't like pencil because they will get dull because they cannot be refilled so the size of the pencil will decrease. Pens are thicker when used for writing so they don't fade quickly, while the pencil is thinner, so it will quickly fade and disappear and make hands dirty when rubbing together. That's all the explanation from me. Why I like pens and why I don't like pencil. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afendia Rahmawati. Here I want to tell you why I rather wear a backpack than use a tote bag to go to school. First of all, I like backpacks because I think it is more very comfortable. Whereas if I use tote bag, I feel something lacking and make it uncomfortable. So I don't like it. For a time, I used tote bag. Certainly, I didn't swim instead. I dragged because I thought about it. The shoulders hurt when sat because of the load is unbalanced. Well, if you use a backpack, there are two strips. Then the burden in the shoulders range, and the backpack is better for health than tote bag. Bags can store more books. Other necessities because larger space. There are also some parts. Uses store items as smartphone, makeup, and perfume. If you ask a tote bag, and only story a few books. Items that can be stored are also limited. Backpack, but more confident. I really like it. Out of the tote bag, voting of me makes me less confident. Thank you for the explanation for me, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hamid Majid. I want to tell you I like reader book and I don't like books. I like the reader book because it's more simple. I like the reader book because it is not usually made. I don't like books because the big fish. I like the book reader because if a sheet is not needed, it is easy to throw it away. I don't like books because if sheets are not needed, it is difficult to dispose of them. I like the book reader because if you need paper, it's easy to pick up. I don't like books because if you need people, it's hard to pick it up. I like bigger books because they are cheap. I don't like books because they are expensive.